In this video, we will going to learn how to download the image. So let's get it started. In our previous video, we have uploaded the image successfully. Let's close this file onto our server, which was a line image, and it is holding up here in our imgs folder. So we will gonna download this image. So for that, let's create one file. I will gonna call it download. We're gonna open it up. We only need the part here. None of them is required. We are just checking if the record exists, otherwise it will gonna end with the error, and we can simply take the while loop from here, put the while inside else. We're gonna head over here. We will gonna create another column, download image, and copy this section over here, remove this part as we don't need it, download, and it will be download.php. We're gonna save this part here, come here, refresh, and sure enough we have this download button. Now if we click on it, nothing will gonna happen because our download file is pretty empty. So let's build the download functionality. So first thing, we will gonna take the variable and we will gonna store the entire path. That would be image slash then concatenate and our image file name. Second, we have to come over here and copy this part because we need the extension, and instead of our file, because file no longer available here, it was only available on the post request. Right now we have this file over here, so we're gonna give the name of the file and get the extension. After that, we have to set the header for our download. So content type, it would be image slash concatenate extension of our image. Then header, this time we're gonna say content transfer encoding, that would be binary. Third thing, again header and content disposition, and our content disposition will be attachment, and we're gonna have to provide the file name, which would be base name of our img. All right, then the last one would be read file, and we're gonna read our image and then exit. Shouldn't provide this like that. So save it, come back here, and if I click on download, perfect, the image has been downloaded. Let me open it, and fair enough, this is our image. So this is about how to download the image from server to your local PC. Take care for now. Bye bye.